fans for a while, and they have seen this script plenty of times.
Darcy Charrois has a chance right now. He scores! The senior wins it. Darcy Charrois beats Robert Schultz, and ASU makes it 29 in a row over their rivals.
The senior, Darcy Charrois, I said it last week, and he put it right where Colin Eckel did. Top shelf, where Mama hides the cookie jar. Darcy Charrois, the senior hero. Nick, you mentioned it, that Coach Sean Hogan said whoever scored for U of A was going to be a hero. Well, you know what, boys? Darcy Charrois is going down as a hero tonight for ASU.
And this script has been finished. Put it in the books. And this U of A team has seen it way too many times. It's like Darcy Charrois knew. I was writing the ending to a very, very similar story that we have seen here in Tempe. The disbelief from the U of A fans, the disbelief from this U of A team. They let a 3-0 lead slip out of their hands. It goes to overtime. Darcy Charrois, the senior, he stepped up huge the last couple of weeks here at the Sun Devil. He puts it away in overtime. And boys, the streak goes to 29. Tomorrow will be a chance for 30.